ChatGPT, which is considered to be a threat to Google. It can help you in resolving your customer issues. It can be a personal assistant. It can entertain you. Hi guys, this is Surya and you're watching HTR Hashtag Reviews. There is a buzzword going on from last 1 month that is called ChatGPT. And in this video, we will see what is this ChatGPT is all about, how it is helpful in our personal and business productivity. Actually, this is a productivity come entertainment tool, and this is considered to be a threat to Google's search business. Whenever you were going through a website and there is a pop-up comes up saying that how can we help, like that may I help you, kind of a chat box. Generally these are chat bots, not real human beings which they type. But how this chat bot is different from chat gpt? Chat gpt is nothing but a chat bot powered by artificial intelligence. This is from OpenAI, and which is considered to be understanding of the human emotions, not just like any other chatbots. That's the reason why this is got so much of attention in the internet. Generally, chatbots are meant to be a professional use in your website for customer enquiries and all. But this chat gpt is not only work as a customer service chatbots and queries and stuff like that, but it can also help you in personal level also. What do I mean by that? Let's say you want to write an essay. You are a student and you want to write an essay on any topic. You just give the topic name there and it will give you in a professional language the entire essay. You can also mention how many words you need on that essay. Let's say you need an essay on artificial intelligence. So you type whatever the information which you required in within the 500 words or say 1000 words. It will give you exact, with professional help, 500,000 words an essay. It will prepare and give it to you. Now we will let's look into the in details of what are the portion, what are the options available in both professional and personal level, and how this chat gpt can help you. The chat gpt really helpful in the customer service segment because it understands the human emotions, what they are typing, what are the emojis which they are using while conversation. Based on that, it will format a reply and it will give it to you, not just like a normal chatbot artificial kind of a thing, but it gives a feeling of some human is directly interacting with you rather than a chart and a software piece is interacting with you. It can be a personal assistant. Let's say you want to schedule an appointment with your calendar, it can schedule your appointment. You want to write an essay, it can write an essay. And forget about that, if you want a script for the YouTube, what you want to speak it, you just type YouTube script for artificial intelligence within 500 words. It will give you the entire from welcome to ending of YouTube script, and which is very good, and you don't need to bother about English and grammar. And also at the personal level, suppose you want to talk about or you want to know more about your favorite movie, you just type it and it will give you the reply then and there with a lot of research from the background. It will give you in one formatted way which is very understandable in a plain language. And you can't ask these questions to a Google search. You can't talk directly to a Google search. That is where it bridges a major gap between a Google search and the chat gpt. That is the reason it is considered to be a threat to Google search I think the news is that Google is also working with some kind of a tool to compete with this ChatGPT, and Microsoft is already part of this ChatGPT. So Google has to rethink about their Google search and all. You cannot directly ask Google create a 500 words of an essay on artificial intelligence. It can only give the searches of the information available in the web page. Somebody somewhere they might have posted, and that will give you a link which will be click after you click it, then it will take you to that page. But here in ChatGPT, it will give you an essay with the formatted with the professional bulleted points and all. That is the main difference between the Google search and the ChatGPT. And think about the uses of this ChatGPT. That is the reason I would say the possibilities endless, and we haven't figured it out it completely. Let's say you are a student, and in the mid of your homework you got an issue with your problem, and you can directly ask to the ChatGPT, and it will give you the entire explanation of that problem. Rather than if you go to Google search, it will give you the already predefined information in a links to the websites. But in ChatGPT you can get the complete explanation of the problem with the solutions. And everything has a other side of the coin, and ChatGPT is having its issues, though it understands the human behaviors, human emotions, but by end of the day this is not a human, and it has its misuse also. Let's say somebody is saying that how to prepare a gun or how to prepare a bomb. These kind of a thing, very very sensitive matters, which needs to be restricted by this chat gpt, and these things needs to be fixed in chat gpt. But it has its advantages, and both advantages, let's look at the advantages first, and let's see where this chat gpt goes. That's not all. If you are a web developer and you are having a technical knowledge, you can integrate this chat gpt into your website. Not only you just need to go to chat gpt website for a search, but you can include a chat gpt in your website, and there are many other applications that are already out based on this chat gpt. That's all for now. I hope this video might have helped you in gaining of knowledge on what is a chat GPT, and how this chat GPT can be helpful in your day-to-day life, whether it could be a business or a personal level. And that's all for now, and thanks for watching. If you didn't like it, share and subscribe. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video.